So our issue was one day I was walking around a property we own here in Longmont, Colorado, and I noticed that a corner of the house was sinking into the ground and that the bricks were separating and that clearly there was an issue with what I presumed to be the foundation of the home. So working with the design team to come up with a solution and then to implement that solution was very easy. They answered all the questions we had. If we had concerns about something that was going on, we were able to, have them address those and know that going into the project, we believed we had an adequate solution to our needs. The foreman and crew were very excellent. They came in, they did the project in a way that it didn't affect adversely affect our tenant. It was a rental home that we had, and so they were able to work around the schedule. All we had to do was make sure that we were able to provide the time that they needed, and that was easy enough done from that respect. Well, I would certainly refer you, and not only that, then after that first project, we've had 3 subsequent projects done by Rod Martin's Complete Basement, as we've had other structures of properties that we've owned that we've either knew we had issues or just wanting to avoid issues, had Rod Martin's come up and take a look at. And I would tell anybody that they are easy to work with. One of the things for us is they did work on my company building here, the Ahlberg Funeral Chapel here in Longmont, and they were very flexible about working around a schedule, or if we said, hey guys, we got to have you knock off a couple hours early because we got things going on here. They were very accommodating to us, and so I would certainly recommend them not only for their quality of work, but the way that they were able to meet our needs, both in terms of the time frames that we had as well as the efficiency of getting the job done.